Reina Banderada, a young lady dressed in a long red gown, carrying a yellow triangular flag. She represents the coming of Christianity. Our Reina Banderada from Santo Niño Crusaders Group, Sister Ivy Omison. Reina Fe. She carries a cross that symbolizes the virtue of faith, the first theological virtues. Our Reina Fe, Christine Ann Dixon from Andius Puma with her angel. Reina Esperanza, also known as Queen of Hope, the second theological virtues. She carries an anchor that symbolizes the virtue of hope. Our Reina Esperanza, Sister Rosana de la Cruz from Holy Family Filipino Catholic Group with her angel. Reina Caridad, also known as Queen of Charity, the third theological virtues. She carries a red-colored heart. Our Reina Caridad, Sister Melinda Arcos from Seychelles with her angel. Santa Sara. She is the patron of laughter. She carries a handkerchief to cover the laughter. Our Santa Sara, Sister Remy Paco from Disciples for Christ. Santa Miriam. She was the sister of Moses and Aaron. She is also known as prophets. She carries a baby in a basket that represents Moses left on the side of the river. Our Santa Miriam, Sister Cecil Largo from Christ the King. Reina Justicia, a personification of mirror of justice, blindfolded and carries a weighing scale and a sword. Our Reina Justicia, Sister Teresita Taborada Linsatao from Labugad Prayer Group. Reina Esther. She was a pious woman who demonstrates great faith, resolve, mercy, and courage. She carries a scepter. Our Reina Esther, Sister Julene Bababonyo from Queen of Angel Presidium. Santa Elizabeth, a daughter of the line of Aaron and the wife of Zacharias. She was righteous before God and was blameless. She is also a cousin of Virgin Mary. She is pregnant and bears a son called John. Our Santa Elizabeth, Sister Maricar Fabila from Andius Puma. Santa Cecilia, a patron saint of musicians and church music in Catholic and Orthodox traditions. She carries a musical instrument. Our Santa Cecilia, from Sacred Heart of Jesus, Sister Ria Richilin Macompas. Santa Clara. She is an Italian saint and one of the first followers of Saint Francis of Assisi, founder of the Order of Poor Ladies. She carries a monstrance, a shining lamp that represents bright, clear, and brilliant. Our Santa Clara, Sister Evelyn Elcano from Sacred Heart of Jesus. Santa Monica, known as Monica of Hippo. She was an early Christian saint. She is a mother, widow, religious laywoman, and mother of Saint Augustine. She carries a Bible, symbolizing her strong faith. Our Santa Monica, Sister Sheila Romero from Our Lady of the Sky Presidium. Santa Lucia, a patron saint of vision. She was a virgin martyr who died during the period of Roman persecution of Christians. She carries a platter with 2 eyes. Our Santa Lucia, Sister Daisy Viscardi, from Sons and Daughters of Divine Mercy. Santa Agnes. She was only 13 years old Roman girl when she shattered Martyrdom. She was a virgin and martyr. She carries a palm branch on her hand and a sheep that symbolizes her chastity, purity, and sacred. Our Santa Agnes, Sister Luz Biminda Merabel from Hong Kong Filipino Catholic Biblical Pastoral Ministry. Santa Scholastica, a saint of a Roman Catholic and the Eastern Orthodox Churches, a patron saint of nuns, convulsive children, and invoke against storm and rain. Our Santa Scholastica, Sister Odette Prado, represented from Parish Pastoral Council. Reina de las Flores, the Queen of the Flores de Mayo. She carries a bouquet of flowers that symbolizes femininity. Our Reina de las Flores, Sister Giselle Salinas Camarista from Love of God Prayer Group. Maria Magdalena. She was the first person to see Jesus after he rose from the dead. She carries a bottle of perfume who wiped Jesus' feet. Our Maria Magdalena, Sister Erlinda Bicolo from Christ Our Hope and Life. Santa Ana, also known as Hannah, means favor of grace. A patron saint of carpenters, childless people, horseback riders, woman in labor and minors, Mother of Virgin Mary. Our Santa Ana, Sister Marie Chris Vitor from Sons and Daughters of Divine Mercy. Santa Veronica, a woman of Jerusalem who said to have been moved by the suffering of Jesus. A woman who rushed to wipe Jesus' face as he carries his cross to Calvary. She carries a bandana imprinted with the 3 faces of Jesus. Our Santa Veronica, Sister Faye Legaspi from Christ the King. Santa Mariana. She attached herself to Immaculate Virgin Mary, representing with extraordinary mystical gift, means of sign of the cross. She carries bottle of holy water. Our Santa Mariana, Sister Marilyn Babarin from the Lord's Black Sunday Group. Santa Bernadette was best known as a saint who received visions from the Virgin Mary in a cave near Lourdes. Our Santa Bernadette, Sister Lucille Delphine from the Lord's Black Sunday Group. Reina Sentenciada, representing Judith, sentenced for killing Holofernes. She stands for early Christians, especially the virgins who were martyred for the faith. She has her hands bound by a rope. Our Reina Sentenciada, Sister Teresita Espiritu from Disciples for Christ. Reina Sheba, who visited the famed King Solomon and was overwhelmed by his wisdom, power, and riches. She carries a jewelry box. Our Reina Sheba, Sister Mary Ann Jimenez from Hong Kong Filipino Catholic Biblical Pastoral Ministry. Our Reina Elena 2025, Girl Jade Rodrigo Porras represented by Sister Cheyenne May Rodrigo from Our Lady of the Sky Presidio. Next, our Reina Elena, or Queen Elena. She is the highlights of procession, the legendary founder of the cross, represented by the small cross she carries in her arms. She is escorted by her son, Constantine, under the huge canopy of flowers. Our Reina Elena, Sister Jessica Beer from Holy Family Filipino Catholic Group with the Constantine Albert Love. And let us all stand to honor our Blessed Virgin Mary. The Holy Virgin was all beauty and all love. The sight of her overwhelmed us. In her finery as in her person, everything radiated the majesty, the splendor, the magnificence of a queen beyond compare. She seemed as white, immaculate, crystallized, dazzling, heavenly, fresh.